Most furnaces don't just die on you, they warn you first. And the problem? Most homeowners never notice the warning. Here's why that's important. When we inspect a furnace at Superior HVAC Service, we don't look for dramatic breakdowns that look like obvious trouble. Instead, we look for quiet signs of systematic failure that show long before the heat stops. Signs like cracks, overheating components, loose connections, or displaced sensors are our top priority. They won't shut your system down today, but it'll shorten its lifespan by several years. Most homeowners ignore these signs because they don't impact their lives now. But when the problems become noticeable, it's already late. Now you're feeling cold, stressed, and short of thousands of dollars, where failure really begins. Your furnace doesn't fail on the coldest day of the year. Instead, the failure started quietly and out of your sight. By the time a furnace stops producing heat, damage has usually been accumulating for months, sometimes even years. You might think it's a sudden failure, but deep down, a small issue had been building over the years, causing real problems. Why prevention costs less than repair. At Superior HVAC Service, we don't carry out inspections to find what's already broken. We carry out inspections to catch what's about to break before it causes further damage. A small issue caught early is usually manageable, but the same issue ignored becomes expensive and always inconvenient. A regularly inspected furnace will run safer, more efficiently, and last longer. And most importantly, it won't leave you without heat when you need it the most. So if your furnace is still running, that doesn't mean it's fine. It just means it hasn't reached the breaking point yet. So before it happens, book a professional furnace inspection. That's all for today. Have you had your furnace inspected in the last 12 months? Comment below.